Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you where can you see the people you may know on Facebook option. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to see the people you may know on Facebook, open up your Facebook app first, and after that, when you scroll a little bit down on your news feed, you can see the people you may know option available over here. And over here, all these people are the people you may know, and if you want to add them, you can see the add friend option available over here. Tap on add friend to send them a friend request, or if you don't find the people you may know over here, simply tap on the two people icon on the top left corner of your screen just beside the home icon. Tap over there, and you can see the people you may know over here. These are all people from the list are the people you may know on Facebook or your real life. And if you want to add them, simply tap on add friend, and if you want to remove them, tap on remove. And there guys, this is how you see people you may know on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.